Fish on, guys. Woo! Yeah! Jamaican shore fishing.
Alright, Jamaican shore fishing. I passed Brian on the road earlier. I was supposed to meet up with Brian today, guys, and I just dropped off this curb drop off. And I'm supposed to meet up with Brian, and here's how it went down. I passed him. I actually passed Brian a while ago, way up the line, and I didn't realize I did it. And what's happening now, I'm driving by the spot, I see somebody in the water down here. I've never tried this spot before, but you know us at Jamaican shore fishing, we're gonna try it out real quick before we meet up with Brian. So stay tuned, guys, all right? Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here.
Hey guys, so we're back at that spot. Caught those yellowtails, and not only yellowtail but the jacks. I'm wondering if this water's like sticky this morning, if I'm gonna pick anything up. I'm supposed to meet up with Brian down the line, but I just been stopping, coming back up, because I don't want the time to catch up on me too late either. All right, let's get out here. Nothing yet, guys. Water's real rough today. Let's get it out there a couple more times, guys. A high vis. Fish on, guys. Woo! Yeah! Jamaican shore fishing. Gotcha. There you go, guys. Woohoo! Fresh jack. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. One down. He came right in, got it right here, guys. That's what's up. Haha. That's what's up, guys. Got it right as it got to the edge right there, guys. That's what's up. Yeah. Remember, you're trying to go someplace. Well, you know what? Let me secure you and put you up at one of them higher poles so that you don't go jumping off back in the water on me. Yeah. He's definitely trying to get up. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Calm down, it's alright. See you guys chasing it. I see two of them chasing it, guys. A couple of them chasing it a while ago. Running back there through a couple more times, guys. That's what's up, guys. Woohoo! Couple more casts here, guys, and we're gonna head up the line. If we don't pick up anything else here, just head up and meet up with Brian. Hey, that was a large wave. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out of here, go meet up with Brian now, guys. I got a few casts in here. Got one jackfish and I'm surprised that I didn't get any other runs other than the jackfish. Alright, let's grab our fish, guys. Wanna head up? Yeah, let's get our fish. Let's go. Walk around a little bit and then go up. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Walk around a little bit and then go up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That is it. Jackfish getting up. Ah, boy, you done tore out your whole gill. A lot of seaweed here. I kind of knew it was going to be that way from when I left the other side. Now what? Don't look a bit. I'll see if I can pick up something. Yeah. I seaweed, just seaweed that beat me up. Eh? Haha. Gonna look for a barra, guys. See if we can throw something on the fire real quick and eat something. See if we can find something. Seaweed is enough right here. So we'll walk down a little bit further. There, guys. So work in this area right here to see what we can pick up. I haven't gotten any runs so far with long jaw chase. Oh, my pocket's getting wet, guys. I'm trying to get out this water. We'll get further down, get up on them rocks down there. Brian's over there. Oh, my car keeps getting wet. We'll head further down. I'm gonna see if I can get a deeper cast down here. Get myself in any trouble down here. Low line water. Hey guys, made it to one of these rocks. I can at least get a bird's eye view of my lure. God damn it. He didn't miss. Nothing yet, guys. Wonder if I go to those rocks and cast that way, I'll get a much better bite. Let's go over there and see what's up. I wanted to get on top of this one, but water looks a little bit too deep for me to get to. Like I said, guys, I'm glad I stopped down further. Then I wouldn't have picked up that jackfish earlier. Because up here seemed a little bit soft. Not getting good reading from up here, guys. And I'm surprised because normally places like this would have 1 or 2 barracudas hanging around. As you know, the feeding champs that runs off the place. Or maybe a big jack or something running off the place, because they're very territorial when it comes to how they hold the areas. Brian's all the way down there, guys. I don't know if you guys can see him. I'm gonna have to chat all the way back, get back over to Brian, and then get out of here, go to a different spot. Hey guys, we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna hit a different spot. This spot's not for me. Brian's drop line fishing, I'm lure fishing. 2 totally different kinds of fishing, guys. So I'm gonna head down the line and before the time catches up on me to see what I can possibly pick up. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. Here, guys, so came off, separated with Brian for a second to try this little low lying grass spot. Got pretty good depth to it too. Oh shit, I got a wind knot. Hey Brian! Nothing, guys. One more cast out here, then we'll move on. So like I said, guys, I'm just scanning this water, Nothing. All right, let's get out of here. Yeah, I gotta get back up this hill. Back on the old highway. Adventure, guys. Jamaican shore fishing adventure here. Oh, shit. Hey guys, caught up with Brian. He's to the left of me right there. We're just working this area. Not yet, Brian? Eh? You know what? Oh. I'm gonna go ahead, Brian, a little bit, guys. Move down on the wall where I can get a bird's eye view. Kind of like my bird's eye view better when I'm casting, so I can watch my lure come in. Brian said he just got a hit a while ago on something. Yeah, got thorns all around us. You gotta be careful what you grab onto, you lean onto, anything. Go ahead, Brian, a little bit. Get on that wall. That opening where I can cast out. Bingo! We'll move down a little bit. Probably change off this lure too. Shoot. Down here got bushed up, Brian. Oh damn. Alright, the storm kind of knocked down here up a little bit, guys. We have to be fighting our way through bushes. Hey Brian! Brian! Remember I conch where you find down here at the time? Huh? The conch. Huh? And by the time where you find the conch down here? Yeah. I'm not even seeing any long jaw chasing Brian. That big ship, they moved it. Long time. Going up the line a little bit, guys. Bingo! Oh, good. Alright, bingo. Right, it runs a landslide. You know, Brian? Round here's a landslide off. Round here's a landslide. Yeah, the whole high road I broke off up here. Oh, bingo right there, man. Wood path. God damn. I'd be crawling through goat paths. These are the path that the goats make to go through here. Ouch. Oh, damn it, boy. Eh? Yeah, guys, it's hot as hell back here. I got no water. Brian's down there on on the shore. I'm up on the hillside, trying to get a good cast. Get out. I mean, I'm getting some good casts in, guys, but I'm not getting any chases. I'm not getting any pickups. The whole entire road right here washed away on this side. Wow. That gutter chopped this road right in half. The whole entire gutter collapsed down here. Fish on. Fish on. One more. Woo-hoo-hoo! Calm down. Another one. Brian, look here. Big boy. Woohoo! Yeah. Damn it, boy. Boy got me good with the hook a while ago. Fish string. Here, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. You got fish on? Oh shoot, Brian got fish on, guys. That is it. There, guys, one more. That what happened? Tell you, bro, these Uzuri minnows, I get that result, man. Eh? Who, you? What? Why? Long jaw, them fry good, you know. You can have one of my barrows. You heard? You can have one of the barrows. That's without a question, bro. Yeah, guys. My battery on this camera is dead. I have backup batteries. It's in my bag for this camera. Not really worried about it. When this one dies, I worry. Oh, shit. Every time I come out with Brian. Yo, bro, I gotta take you fishing with more often.
I don't think I take me anywhere.
We gotta have more fishing dates. We gotta have more fishing dates, bro. We gotta do more of this. Cause every time, bro, every time I tell you guys, me and Brian go out, it's a different ball game, guys. It is. It's a whole other different ball game. Either Brian's hammering fish or I'm hammering fish. One of the two. Fish on? Huh? Oh, fuck. I think if you go around on that tree edge, Brian, go on that tree edge, bro. I know you're going to hook up on one. Go on that tree edge.
Where?
Right there on that tree edge. Just walk to the edge. No, look, no. Tree edge, cast that way. Right to there, because nobody now going at them area, so they're not disturbed, so nobody's over there, bro. I'll not cast. I'll wait till you cast. I know you're going to hook onto something if you do that.
Oh, alright, fish whisperer.
Eh? Just go on Pananja tree then, man. Go on out.
Alright, fish whisperer.
You're going to hook something, bro. I'm not casting nothing else until you hook something. Watch, he's going to hook onto something massive right now. His camera is down, guys.
I'll go on the tree.
I think you should go. Yeah, and that's where the barrows like hanging out. They love hanging out in the grass. They ambush, bro. Look, watch, let me show you. Can't go there, right? Fuck. That don't look good. You hit it?
Yep.
Oh, fish on.
Yep.
Haha. Ryan got fish on, guys. Get him up, Ryan. Get him up.
Oh, Barra.
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 Get him up.
Good shot. Oh, shit. Right.
Hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him. Hold him in foul hook.
The loose one, so you know.
Foul hook. Hold him tight, tight, tight. Tight, tight, tight. Knew it. What did I tell you, dogs?
Finally.
What did I tell you? Brian hooked up. Oh, shit. I see one more over there. Right there.
Long jam, you know.
They're feeding. There's bait fish over there. That is it. That would be a very painful situation. Look, what that? A bingo. Hey boy, bingo.
I feel like crocodile come.
Hey boy, bingo. Boy, bingo is the man. Stingray jump out of water, brother. Go on. In gone, so to the right, you know.
Like that. Let it go, you know. See it, see it, see it, see it, see it, see it.
What is it? Long jaw?
Derek. It don't matter how I'm gonna try to catch him.
I'm going out. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Watch, I'm gonna come to you, I'm gonna come to you, I'm gonna come to you. Alright, I'm going on the road. Go on the road, yours, Cass. Like pitch on the grass and dirt there for me. Grass and dirt. Alright, I'll start head back down. Ooh! Grass, come in. Head back down, so it's too shallow up here so now. Take the time and work way back. Mud. A be a mud me a sinking around here. Hey guys, so came all the way to frig around to the other side. I don't know how deep it is here, but these places are unfished. Nobody really comes back here, guys. Cool heap of fish there, so. You know where them a feed pan right there, so. Look, you see it? A long jaw, baby long jaw. Ouch. That hurts. Come on. Careful. Fish on? Fish on?
Would up here, so.
Fish on? Fish on, Brian?
Oh, grass.
Oh, scared the hell out of me.
Fight like a fish, you know, man. Grass, fight like a fish.
Up there somewhere reaching.
Mother have a boat right there, so.
Where?
Them over there.
Where at?
Right, that's on the
Oh, lean up, yeah.